Guess what time it is? It's time for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. This quiz is for the beginners. I'm going to give you 5 questions. They're going to come at you real fast, so if you need to pause, hit the pause button. Keep track of your score. We'll see how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. Which data type is usually best for storing a phone number in an access table? Short text, number, currency, or date time? That's going to be short text. Remember my rule. If you're not calculating it, use text. You're not going to take the sum of a bunch of phone numbers. Question 2. Which number field size is generally appropriate for a value that can contain decimal places such as a discount rate? Byte, integer, long integer, or double? Of those choices, that's going to be double. There is a decimal type. I don't like using it, except for really advanced stuff, so stick to double. Question 3. What's the main purpose of an AutoNumber field in a typical access table? To calculate totals automatically, to assign a unique value to each record, to display numbers with commas, or to store a customer's account balance. An AutoNumber is to assign a unique value to each record. Question 4. What does a primary key do in an access table? Uniquely identifies each record, sorts every field alphabetically, prevents users from editing records, or stores the table's description. Again, a primary key is to uniquely identify each record. And usually your primary key is an AutoNumber. Question 5. Why might you create an index on a field in an access table? To make searches and sorts faster? To automatically create a form? To convert text into numbers? Or to make the field required? One of the benefits of indexing is it makes searches and sorting faster. All right, how'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Did you unveil a lightning-powered engine at the Royal Society? Or is your prototype still making encouraging whistling noises? If you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in Access Beginner Level 1, Lesson 5 on building the customer table. As always, thanks for playing. Be sure to post your score down below in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper.